It's not just the rise of prices on travel. Experts say rising COVID numbers could also put a damper on summer vacation season. As Nicole Castañeda from our DC Bureau reports, many are opting to stay for a staycation instead.
With summer just around the corner, major executives from the airline industry gathered here in the White House to request the elimination for COVID testing for international travelers. However, with COVID rising, the question is, will this summer vacation become summer staycations? Airlines for America, which represents major U.S. carriers, and the U.S. Travel Association told White House officials the COVID requirements for flight passengers are not needed in comparison to the threat of COVID-19. But Mercy Hospital infectious disease specialist Dr. Farin Manian talked about the increased number of cases they are receiving.
Percentage has gone up, say from 3 or 4% just a couple of months ago to about 20% now being positive for COVID.
Johns Hopkins University compared a 7-day average of more than 83,000 COVID cases in the U.S. to 20,115 last year. Even though doctors agree on the rise of COVID cases, some have a more positive comparison for this year.
The difference between this year and last year when we saw increases is this year the vast majority of the population have at least partial immunity to COVID.
Currently, Pfizer is investing $120 million in production of Paxlovid, which reduces the risk of severe disease after COVID diagnosis. As COVID numbers increase, some states and indoor locations are requiring the use of masks once again.
If people have been waiting to hear public health say this is the time, there's a lot of virus, please put your mask back on. That's absolutely what I'm saying today.
The trade association said international travel dropped 14% in comparison from last year. The White House hasn't commented yet on the matter. From Washington, D.C., reporting for the South Florida Media Network, Nicole Castañeda.